as hospitalizations climb across the country. We're now hearing from hospital chaplains about how their role has expanded over the last year. News Nation reporter Dennis Shanahan has the story.
We cannot lose hope.
Reverend Samuel Brown Dawson is a voice of comfort in the intensive care unit.
Sometimes in those times, people just want to know that there is somebody who cares, and sometimes someone who can pray with them and for them.
He has worked in hospitals for more than 30 years and is currently the manager of chaplaincy services at UC Davis Health. The chaplains here agreed early in the pandemic to stay on as essential workers wearing full protective equipment.
So we are able to go in at any time. Many times, because the family cannot come, we also took the responsibility of calling and talking to some family members and to help them.
Sometimes he uses an iPad to connect family members to a patient. Other times you might find him in the hospital parking lot, comforting grieving relatives. The chaplains also play a role in the emotional and spiritual lives of hospital staff members.
Right now, as I'm talking here, we have one of our chaplains who is upstairs in the unit serving tea. We call it tea for the soul, to the nurses, to the staff in that unit, because they are stressed, because it is a challenging time.
As a first-hand witness to the heavy toll COVID-19 is taking, he encourages all of us to take the risks seriously and follow guidelines that help prevent the spread.
Respect yourself, respect others. If you don't do it for yourself, do it for others.
Reverend Brown Dawson doesn't claim to have the answers as to why bad things like a pandemic happen.
But the beautiful thing is, for me, God has promised not to leave us, to always be with us. We do not have a guarantee that we will not have challenges, suffering, sickness, poverty. But it is in those moments of time is what do we hold on to?
He reminds us that humanity has a long history of overcoming great challenges.
And God knows and God cares.
Dennis Shanahan, News Nation.